Hello everyone, I'm Almin Khan and I'm a data science intern at Spark Foundation. So our task number 1 was to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of hours of study using supervised machine learning. Now it's a simple linear regression model. So let's start. Firstly, we're going to import all the libraries which are required, that is pandas, numpy and matplotlib. We're going to load the data set from this link. And here is the data set, that is the hours and the score. Now we're going to plot this data set to see if there is any relationship between the data. So here is the graph, hours versus the percentage, and we find out there is a positive linear relation between the number of hours studied and the percentage of the score. Now we're going to prepare the data by dividing it into the input and the output, that is the X and the Y. And then we're going to split this data into the training and the testing set. Now we are going to train our model. So we're going to import the linear regression from the sklearn library, and then we're going to plot the regression line. After training our data, now we have to make the predictions. So here are the predicted scores. Now we're going to compare the actual versus the predicted, and here are the results. Now the question that they had asked is, what will be the predicted score if the student studies for 9.25 hours per day? And I have found out the predicted score to be 93.69%. Now we go into final step is to evaluate the performance of the algorithm. And for that we have chosen the mean absolute square error, and we found out to be 4.18. Now we're going to check and plot the actual versus the predicted values in a graph. And from this we can see that the predicted values are very close to the actual ones, thus showing the high accuracy of the model. Thank you everyone.